Okay, so this bench, even though I just did this not that long ago, it started fading out really bad. This Texas sun. So I just put some tung oil on my hand and kind of spread it over there because I had a little bit left and I had another can over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this because that tung oil looks like it put a pretty good coating on it and it kind of looks good. I like the tung oil. I normally like to put it on and rub it off, but on this, since it's outdoor, I'm just gonna put it on. So I'm gonna move my little watchdog here who can't keep his head on. I got a naked woman on the roof, so he's always leaning his head back to look. But anyway, all right, so I'm gonna finish it and put some more tung oil on this. Okay, so I just used that little foam brush, poured a little tung oil, finished off that little bit, had a little bit in there, and just kind of brushed it on. Got a little sun today, it'll be nice, it'll dry. That'll give it a little bit of protection from the elements and everything else. And tung oil, I mean, like I said, I normally put it on, take it off. I just did a video. I'll probably post this on both horse and gun channel, just for wood maintenance for your different stuff. I put some Ready Seal on there, and I put some, what's my go-to? Waterlocks Marine on there, and I wasn't impressed with the Waterlocks Marine. It didn't hang on too good. I mean, it's looking pretty rough. So it did not protect that well. I don't know if I'm going to do this in tung oil, but the Marine Waterlocks didn't last. Shit, I don't know if it lasted 1 year. I got to clean that and repaint that one too. So anyway, tung oil. Again, normally you put it on, you leave it for 10 minutes, and then you buff it off. And it absorbs, and then it dries really hard. This, if you read about tung oil, it puts a really hard coat on something. And normally it makes the wood look pretty nice. So I like the look. If that look would stay, that would look really nice. But we'll see how it fades out over time. If you want to see the video of me building this, I did a video on that too, building my Ford bench. I think it might be on my gun channel. I'll try to remember to put a link, but I'll probably forget. All right, so we will end that there. Here comes Smoky Cat. He always wants to come when I paint because he's going to want to jump on there now. You come over here, I'll beat you like a redheaded stepchild. You tried to come on here yesterday when I was painting this. Come out of nowhere, wanted to jump up on here. Because I normally let him jump on there and he sits on the guy's lap. And so it's not his fault. Good boy. He's such a good kitty cat. He listened to his dad. He's a good kitty cat sometime. He's a good monkey cat. He doesn't have to get beat today. He's not getting beat because he's a good boy. So little Ransom looked like he came in for a snack. Where's Buddy Boy? He's probably sleeping out there in the sun somewhere. That horse loves... Oh, there he is. He must have been getting a drink. Oh, there's Stewie Wabbit. All the little critters are here. Monkey Cat, Stewie Rabbit, Ransom, Buddy Boy. All right, we'll end that there on that tung oil. Okay, been about 3 hours. Dry to the touch. Not wet. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little watchdog guy up there again, and it'll harden over the next 24 hours. It turns harder, but it's dry to the touch and everything now, sitting out here in the sun. So I'll put my little guy up there, and we'll go back at it. Y'all have a good one. Let's see if the boys are out here. Catch a glimpse of them. Nope, they're not around, sorry. We'll end that there.